Hey guys, welcome to Donna's Backyard Cooking Chicken Foot Soup. Wow. Sababa. Ija sababa. Ija sababa. Woo. Mm-mm. And in the view of the garden, what's the look? Isn't that beautiful? Cooking a pot of soup in the garden. Beautiful. Cooking outdoor is something that we used to in Jamaica, whether it be ackee and saltfish, running a boat of dumpling, soup, whatever, stew peas and rice. But the most important thing, you have a scenery, a garden that shows the beauty. Look, you have the peppers. You can just pick the peppers from the garden and put it in the pot. You have the thyme over here. You can just pick the thyme off of the tree and carry it straight to the pot. Thyme in there, but it like it gone down at the bottom. Yes, but yeah, the scenery, oh my gosh, is unbelievable. You got chocho come off of the tree, going out the pot. You have peppers, loads of peppers. Looking down, all these peppers just go in the pot to just season the pot. Look at the pot. Look, isn't that beautiful? And then you have the table where we prepare all the food stuff. So from the table to the pot, definitely, and stir the pot occasionally. Oops. So you stir the pot occasionally, and then you look where the soup is boiling down to perfection. You see the chocho, you see, look, you see the pot bottom never catch. That is so good. You have the cassava, chocho, look, yam, chicken foot. Look at that, the cassava. Who like cassava? Ooh. And the two peppers to season it. And then you're going to let it simmer down. You have the yellow yam. The yellow yam can always cook out as long as ever. You see the yellow yam, you can tell so the yellow yam dry. You can tell so the yellow yam is dry. The dumpling with some cornmeal in it. Oh dear. I'm just going to sit down in that chair just now and have a bowl of soup. What better way? And then you watch the bees and the birds and the butterflies in the garden. The sun is shining. Oh, magnificent to enjoy cooking in the backyard. Backyard cooking. You get a little so-called stove. You use a tire rim from the car. You set it up on blocks. And you use a coal, light it, put the fire on, and make sure so when you put the pot on, you put some soap so it wash off easily. You see what I'm talking about? Yeah, man. See it there? Well, I'm soon going to the poop anyway. But it's the scenery me I talk about. Sorry, me no. me have... Oh. I'm going to share it now. Who beg now get? Who not beg no one? Who beg to buy? Say, buy which plate you want, this or this? Pick your choice. Errol, which one you want? I'm going to go and dainty now. So we need a photo sharing out there. Look, isn't it nice? So, I'm going to mash up this, may I tell you now. Ooh. Hey. Wow. You not like the fatty something for this, so I feel look. I feel look. Oh. I feel make sure same not get none of the fatty, but you can't take it off. Chicken foot boil out tonight. The beef, alright. Water, pot of soup. Oh. Picture.